Hello, I'm Chef Anupa, and since Diwali is around the corner, I'm going to share with you a simple, quick and tasty recipe. We are going to be joined by a special guest today, and our special guest is going to help us cook in a way that I certainly have never cooked before. So let's begin and discover cooking with my special guest, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. Yes! Today, Chef Sanjeev Kapoor will help me cook via Amazon Alexa. Alexa, as many of you might know, is Amazon's virtual assistant and is actually quite fun to talk to. There are various models of Alexa, but in my kitchen I have two. I have Echo Show and I have Echo Dot, and this little one I call it the Chodu Alexa. So today I'm going to take help of Alexa Echo Show and cook a recipe on Sanjeev Kapoor Recipe Skill powered by Clove Chef. If you link your Alexa account to this skill, you can search for recipes based on your interest, and it will give you popular recipes, ingredients, step-by-step guided cooking and cooking tips while you're cooking. Yes, you heard it right, cooking tips while you cook. So today I'm going to make healthy chiwda. This recipe is easy to make and delicious as well. So let's begin. Alexa, open Sanjeev Kapoor Recipes.
Welcome back to Sanjeev Kapoor Recipes.
Let's make something delicious with Sanjeev Kapoor Recipes powered by Clove Chef. What would you like to prepare today?
Alexa, give me a recipe of healthy chiwda.
Here are the ingredients and recipe steps. Are you ready to start cooking?
Yes.
Okay, I'll read the directions one step at a time. At any time, you can ask me to move to the next step. Step 1. Heat oil in a non-stick pan. Add the mustard seeds and let it splutter. If at any time you need the quantity of an ingredient mentioned in the recipe, just ask me how much you need.
Alexa, next step.
Step 2. Crush garlic and add to the pan along with green chilies, curry leaves and saute till crisp.
So let's take some garlic. And now after garlic, let's add some curry leaves, followed by some green chilies, and just give it a stir. Did you know you can also search by saying an ingredient name like potato, paneer, chicken, chocolate, or even a recipe type like healthy, keto, vegan, carbohydrate rich, protein rich recipes. Alexa, next step.
Step 3. Add the turmeric powder. Mix well and saute for 15 seconds.
Alexa, next step please.
Step 4. Add the cornflakes, oats, brown pressed rice, flax seeds, chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, almonds and salt and mix well. Remove from heat and cool.
You can hear the sound. Everything has got so nicely roasted and toasted, and at the same time I can get this amazing aroma of garlic and the curry leaves together. So well, I need to taste this right now. Believe me, it's so amazing. This Diwali, make the switch. Don't make the regular poha chiwda, but make this healthy chiwda. Alexa, next step please.
Step 5. The last step. Serve or store in an airtight container. Enjoy.
So today I really enjoyed cooking using the Sanjeev Kapoor skill on Alexa, because checking the ingredients was easy and the step-by-step instructions were simple to follow and very helpful. Also, I did not have to use my messy hands to touch my phone or my tablet or even flip through the pages of a recipe book. It was so easy to refer to the recipe steps. It was also very convenient. I urge you to try the Sanjeev Kapoor skill on Alexa yourself and share what you like most about cooking with Alexa in the comment section below. Thank you, Alexa.
You're very, 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 very